It's going to be challenging. Let me go ahead and get my phone. That's how I cracked my phone last time, was picking this thing up. I need to... Okay. Now. I need maximum persuasion. Okay. Holy boob, it worked. Holy boob. I'm not saying boob. Woo. Dang it. Okay. Smaller. Okay. Come on. I don't play with your kind. Boo-boo. Bam. Oh, maybe. You need to come off. You need to come off. Okay. Oh, you little booger. That is very dirty. Okay. Big deal right there, guys. Big. Let's just get this one right here out. Alright. That was like a bunch of times harder than I wanted it to be. Alrighty. I must have the extension down here. And what I'm going to do, get it fine tuned. I do something crazy. Oh, that's right, that's right. Okay. Note yourself. Next time, add on. And not within. Bolt on. Another one on this side. Wow. This needs to be resealed away. But use this will even further prepare me for the rebuild. Because I technically needed this thing come out anyway. It is hot with this light under here. Turn. I really don't have long to shoot for on my, this is my phone, my GoPro died. I did get the motor out. That back pin was kind of a pain, but the motor is out. Everything looks to be in fantastic shape in the bottom. I'm gonna clean the bottom of the frame. You can see it's very greasy, nasty. I might take this kind of opportunity to take the swing arm and everything off and get everything cleaned off, and might paint it while I'm waiting. It's going to be a while before I have the money for the big money for the parts, but little few dollars here and there won't be much for like paint and primer and stuff like that. But man, there's small things that I'm gonna bring over. These can go in the parts bucket. And that can stay right there. That's got the reed and stuff in it. Go ahead and put the radiator cap on. There's really no dust or anything gets moved around down here. So I'm not worried about covering up the motor right yet. I will before too long. But that right there, I felt it. It definitely is loose. So that's going to get replaced. I have the master link and stuff right here from getting the swing arm off. Now I can properly get the bike cleaned, or the engine cleaned. Kind of throw the cylinder back on. Spray it down, pressure wash it. Just get it kind of clean. It's kind of got that oxidation going on. Just really clean it off. Clean this off and just make the bike look pretty. But that's going to be it with this little clip. I'm not going to start taking plastics off yet, because I still got to really decide if I want to just get the motor fixed and clean the frame up and just throw it in, get the motor cleaned up, or if I want to clean everything off and paint it. Still not sure about that. There's really not a whole lot to take off, but I really don't want to mess with this electrical stuff up here, because this kind of was a pain a while back whenever I first tried to do it to get the headlights wired up, which I don't know why it didn't work. I'm bummed that the motor's in pieces like that, but what can you do? Hey guys, back on the GoPro. This is I'm still here in my aunt's house babysitting the dog, but as you've just seen, that was part 3, I believe, of the KDX teardown series. Once again, I'm sorry I didn't get this down, or this posted up before I come down to watch the dog, but it just fell on a day that I had to be here. I mean, what can you do about it? I needed the money for the bike to start the rebuild process of the bike. So I hope it was worth it being a day or two late. I just got it finished editing. So once I throw this onto here for an outro, I'll start it rendering. I apologize for the guys that, you know, really watch this series, and I really wish I could have got it out on time, but I mean, it's going to be a day or two late, or 2 or 3, I guess, but I hope it was worth it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The motor finally comes out. The teardown is pretty much complete. I don't know, I may have recorded taking the plastics off, because, spoiler, I did end up completely taking the bike all apart. It's sitting right now, a frame and forks. I took the swing arm off, all the plastics, exhaust, and it's nothing but a frame, subframe, and forks with the front wheel on it. So I primed it and I spray painted it. I guess you'll have to see what color I spray paint it. But on that note, I'm going to go ahead and, you know, end this here. If you like this video and you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. It helps me out a lot. It lets me know that the stuff that I post, people actually kind of want to see. Leave a comment, like the video, like whatever you want to do. If you don't like it, you can thumbs down it. Just let me know why in the comments, what I did wrong, and I'll work on getting it changed or fixed. And I guess I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.